Guys, today what is special? Just imagine. Just think of it. What is special? Many of you may not have a knowledge of which. Actually, today is celebrated as the World Humanitarians Day. That is for the people who are working, who are putting their life in risks and working for the welfare of the other people. For example, the UN said that the real life heroes should be honored. There is the doctor who in this present situation are helping lot of people and curing the disease, who are saving the lives of the people, are called as humanitarian workers. It is celebrated each on the 19th August of each year. But most of people don't know this. So from today let us know why it is celebrated, for the reason why it is gonna celebrate. Let me tell you about the reason. It is established by the UN, that is United Nations Assembly, to commemorate the death of the Sergio, who was a Brazilian diplomat in UN humanitarians, and he have worked in many political systems. And it is the remembrance of his death and his 21 fellows in bombing in Baghdad, that is in UN headquarters. So it was great putting their life in saving other people's lives. It's a very risky job. For example, as I said, doctors, they are putting their life in risks and helping out the people to save their lives, to get better in society. So they are helping a lot of people, so we should support them. These people are called as humanitarians workers. This day is celebrated as the remembrance of the great heroes who have who have given their life in sacrificing for the others people, for helping the other people. So these are called humanitarian workers. Today is not Environment Day, but what can we do? I have planted a small, that is, mango tree, because when it rains it gives some fruit. That's a pleasure when you do hard work and get something. It's a kind of pleasure you get. So I'm not saying to plant to everyone, just you can give awareness to the people what is today, so many of people will get to know about what is humanitarians they celebrated as. So you should give some awareness about it, and many people may not know today's special, but and many people also may be knowing what is today. So the people who don't know, please, from today onwards, this day 19th August is celebrated as the humanitarian days in the whole world. So so as many people know now, there is a lot of climate changes because of the cutting down of the trees. Animals are coming out. Now the hotness is very increasing. So do small things with just a great love. It was said by Mahatma Gandhi. There is nothing different when you do a works with the love. So we should salute the humanitarian workers, and we should help them in taking this process to save the society, country, or world. Yeah, it's for us only. They are working for us only. They are our own people. So let's keep on remembrance that 19th August is celebrated as for the heroes who sacrificed their lives for others. That is, 19th August is celebrated as humanitarian days in whole world. Thank you guys.